Welcome to Petron Plus official YouTube channel. I'm with the president of Petron Plus, Harry Williams over here, and we are going to be testing common household lubricants against our product, Industrial Super Lube. So, the similarity between all three of these products that we're going to be testing is they claim that it stops squeaks. But in this video, we're going to prove otherwise.
Absolutely.
So, Harry, you want to grab the first product?
A well-known lubricant. Most everybody has this in their house or has. So we're going to try this. Max is going to use this metal to metal. We call it an EP machine. We're going to use this to test the lubricant properties of this product. All right, Max, if you would, go ahead and start putting a little pressure down. All right, ready? As you can see, it's not stopping the squealing. That bath is pretty hot. All right, let's hold that. All right, as you can see, the bath is full of that product. We're going to go ahead and clean that out real quick. Paper towel right behind you. We'll clean this out. It's fully submerged in that lubricant. #1 selling lubricant in the country. We're going to clean this out. And we're going to try the next one. Very popular. This is used in a lot of industrial companies as well, but is available to the general public. As you can see, constant lubricating it, metal to metal, still squealing. A very popular industrial product as well. So we're going to go ahead and clean this one out real quick. Another very popular product here. And we're going to go ahead and try this one, Max. Go ahead. Give me what you got. As you can see, it's not only squealing, the tone of that metal on metal hasn't changed even a little bit. All right. Now that's 3 of the most popular products in the country right now, available at your local hardware store. So we're going to clean this up one more time. We're going to try this product here. This product's been around for over 40 years. So we're going to try this one. All right, Max, now this is on a bearing that we've already gotten hot. It's been metal to metal, it's been ground up. We're going to go ahead and do a little bit of Petron on it. And you can tell right away that something's happening, and we've just added a dab. Max has got quite a bit of weight on it. He's already pressed down pretty hard. Hold it steady there, Max. All right. Just hold steady. As you can see, this is #1 in the world. There is nothing better than Petron Industrial Super Lube. What do you think, Max?
Well, I was putting just about all 100 pounds I had on me on that.
What would you suggest we do with these products?
Burn them.
Burn them.